So basically, we did a thing.
Guys, no, you didn't.
We basically did though.
Lads and ladies, I'm Sky.
And I'm Smith K. And this is a Pothos.
So, when you just say basic, what you mean?
Hey, just because they're like super f***ing easy to take care of and literally everyone has one, doesn't mean that they're basic. Jesus.
Every basic has this.
I mean, yeah, but we're still gonna make this video to teach people how to take care of them.
It's time to get into Pothos.
Okay, so if you want, you can leave your new Pothos in its lame-ass nursery pot. We're gonna pot ours though in this much cooler looking container, just cause, you know, it looks cool. This plant has been watered recently, which would be a problem if it were a succulent, but it's not a succulent, which means we don't have to be as careful when it comes to avoiding agitating the root system when things are, you know, less than bone dry down under. In addition to being much cooler looking, this container is also just a little bit bigger, so we're gonna add some all-purpose cactus mix. Lads and ladies, that's basically it as far as the potting of our freaky basic friend goes.
And now, we need to have a talk about care plan.
Oh my god, the holy trinity of houseplant hospitality!
Basically, yeah. The all-purpose potting mix that we just added to this much cooler looking container should retain just the right amount of moisture for this type of plant.
As opposed to, you know, less basic cactus mix.
Also, since we just brought this leafy last home from the store, and also because of the freshness of the soil that we added to the container, we shouldn't need to worry about adding any additional nutrients or fertilizer for quite some time. Probably until, I don't know, next summer maybe. When it comes to watering, we'll probably water this leafy green last, I don't know, maybe once or twice a week.
Unlike most of our plants, this basic is not a succulent. So we don't want the soil to get too dry between watering.
Is that what happened to the plants who used to live in that container?
Actually, no. They got overwatered.
But we don't talk about that.
And when it comes to sunlight, pothoses are actually pretty forgiving. They can handle a couple of hours of direct sun every day, but really what they want is lots and lots of indirect sunlight. The real reason that we actually brought this basic home with us, as opposed to
what, Smitty?
much cooler, you know, succulents and is because we have a plant-free corner in our kitchen that doesn't get a whole lot of sunlight. And, you know, it's better to have a basic plant in that corner than a dead succulent.
You're so rude.
But yeah, pothoses are actually pretty fun to keep and really cool plants. They're very forgiving and super easy to propagate. We're not going to get into that in this video though. This is just about, you know, basic pothos care.
Okay, lads and ladies, listen. Listen. This basic doesn't have a name yet. So be sure to be the first one to leave a comment down below of what we want to name her. And if the name fits, we'll make sure to give you a shout out and make it official in our next video.
Anyways, listen. Do you like bad graffiti,
worse jokes,
wacky macrame, and pretty good advice about how to take care of your houseplants? Well then f***ing subscribe! Jesus!
Please.
Subscribe! Oh my f***ing
God.
Turn on channel notifications too!
Thanks, Put-O-Melon. That's right. Click that notification bell too so you never miss a new video. Smitty and Sky out! Listen. Because we haven't added a lot of profanity.